coming from nowhere. So they worked together to push the boulder in unison that blocked their way. And to their surprise, they witnessed some men dancing while mimicking the facial expressions and actions of a monkey. One man asked the group, "What is the dancing all about?" And one of the elderly told the story behind. As per the story, a long time ago, there was a family in Kabayan who took care of a monkey and treated it as part of the family. But then, the monkey passed away by drowning into the river. The family gave the monkey a decent burial with no burial ritual. Days passed, and the head of the family got ill. And according to the monkey book or the faith healer, only a dance ritual for the dead monkey can cure the man. So during the dance ritual, the performers mimic the facial expressions and actions of a monkey, therefore called Tayang Mikadang or monkey dance, a ritual for healing. Presenting to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Easy Pop.
Hay kaya di kaya kaya di kaya maday dayaw ka apu ken ingkang agyamat hiti yag nga inten mo kada kang amin nga tattao hay kaya di gayam gayam di gayam sabay kumakeni Diyos Apo namin bindisyonan tayo na ornungan tayo itagta ng tiyempo Iburong natin pagserbian ka amin tayo nada dito'y nga tiyempo trabaho kat ito nanay may akin hindi pa na kay kaysa reso ket magungunta ay ugaya hindi kaya